Star anise is a popular spice in Chinese cooking. Limonene is a big part of citrus fruits' essential oils, but it's also found in star anise. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and it boosts immunity, kills pathogens, decreases anxiety and stress while helping with weight loss. One of the most popular pharmacologically relevant attributes of the star anise is the shikimic acid content. Shikimic acid is a compound with strong antiviral capabilities. In fact, it's one of the main active ingredients in Tamiflu, which is a popular medication for the treatment of influenza. Other sources of shikimic acid are from pine needles, St. John's wort, fennel seed, dandelion, and schisandra. Italian researchers tested shikimic acid alone and in combination with quercetin, which is an antioxidant-rich plant-based nutrient that's found in elderberries. They wanted to see if they could bolster immune function to help fight off flu or other viral infections. Although shikimic acid on its own had little or no effect on the immune function, when it was combined with quercetin, even at low doses, it appeared to help ramp up immune function to better resist off the viral infection. Researchers published these findings in April's 2008 issue of the Journal of Medical Virology. The berries and flowers of elderberry are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that can help to boost your immune system. They can help to tame inflammation, lessen stress, and they help to protect your heart. Some experts recommend elderberry to help prevent and to ease cold and flu symptoms. They have antiviral as well as antibacterial function, and they can also be used to help to break a fever. Elderberry, along with other powerful antibiotics or herbs, can be so strong that they can contribute to creating a cytokine storm. This is an aggressive inflammatory response with the release of a large amount of pro-inflammatory cytokines. The host immune response, for example, to the SARS-CoV-2 virus, is hyperactive, which results in an excessive inflammatory reaction. However, high doses of intravenous vitamin C, higher than 6 grams per day, have demonstrated efficacy in the treatment of sepsis and acute pancreatitis. An administration of high doses of vitamin C can decrease severe inflammatory parameters like cytokines, cellular response, and homeostatic control. This has already been observed in human and animal models. So liposomal vitamin C has been shown to be as effective as intravenous vitamin C. Therefore, it would be a great addition to an emergency viral support kit to help prevent any organ damage from a cytokine storm. Aloe vera juice supports the immune system. Too much inflammation in the body can cause problems within the immune system and conditions like asthma, eczema, and Crohn's disease. Soothing herbs like aloe vera can slow the inflammatory cascade, and they can help reorder the immune system to prevent these conditions. There are some patients with HIV who had a short life expectancy due to their diagnosis, who were able to live for many years without getting sick, and they attribute this to the immune boosting effects of the aloe vera juice. It's clear that zinc affects multiple aspects of the immune system, from the barrier of the skin to gene regulation within lymphocytes. Zinc is crucial for normal development and function of cells, mediating non-specific immunity such as neutrophils and natural killer cells. Neutrophils, which are white blood cells, they protect your body from infection. Without enough neutrophils, your body cannot fight off bacteria. Natural killer cells are effector lymphocytes of the innate immune system, and they control several types of tumours and microbial infections by limiting their spread and their subsequent tissue damage. 100 zinc enzymes are known, many of which are in the liver, and include examples from all 6 classes of enzymes. In these enzymes, zinc may have a regulatory role or be required for the structure or for the catalytic activity. It's estimated that the human genome encodes around 3,000 zinc proteins. Zinc is an important cofactor for many enzymes involved in nucleic acid metabolism, such as DNA and RNA polymerases and reverse transcriptase. Common recommended doses of zinc are 30 to 50 milligrams per day, but be sure to check the absorption of the zinc, as some forms are as low as 20%, meaning a higher dose is needed to achieve the recommended daily amount of the 30 to 50 milligrams. Zinc is often taken with magnesium before bed to help sleep. Regarding the relation between magnesium and the immune system, several groups leading in nutrition and immunology have shown evidence that magnesium plays a key role in the immune response. That is, as a cofactor for immunoglobulin synthesis, for immune cell adherence, for antibody-dependent cytolysis, for immunoglobulin M lymphocyte binding, for macrophage response to lymphokines, and for T helper cell adherence. Magnesium is a cofactor in more than 300 enzyme systems that regulate diverse biochemical reactions in the body, including protein synthesis, muscle and nerve function, blood glucose control, and blood pressure regulation. Magnesium is also required for energy production, oxidative phosphorylation, and for glycolysis. The best form of magnesium to use is magnesium bisglycinate. In order to determine your dose of magnesium, slowly increase the dose until stomach discomfort or diarrhea is noticed. Then gradually reduce the dose until you find your maximum tolerable daily dose. Common substances such as sugar and caffeine deplete your body's magnesium levels. Studies have shown that spikes in sugar suppress your immune system. When your immune system is compromised, you're more likely to get sick. If you eat a lot of foods and beverages high in sugar or refined carbohydrates, which the body processes as sugar, you may be reducing your body's ability to ward off diseases. Studies show that it takes about 75 grams of sugar to weaken the immune system, and once the white blood cells are affected, it's thought that the immune system is lowered for about 5 hours afterwards. You can see my other video on blood sugar control for weight loss, and another video on Candida and type 2 diabetes, and how and why you should reduce your sugar intake for optimal health. Vitamin D can modulate the innate and adaptive immune response. A deficiency in vitamin D is associated with increased autoimmunity, as well as an increased susceptibility to infection. As immune cells in autoimmune disease are responsive to the ameliorative effects of vitamin D, the beneficial effects of supplementing vitamin D deficient individuals with autoimmune diseases may extend far beyond the effects of just bone and calcium homeostasis. You can get a 25-hydroxy vitamin D blood test and then supplement accordingly with vitamin D to fix any deficiency. Vitamin D works synergistically with vitamin K. Vitamin K can act as a cofactor for some plasma proteins, thereby affecting immune and inflammatory responses, particularly mediated by T cells. Vitamin K can inhibit cell growth by promoting apoptosis and autophagy. Low levels of vitamin K have been associated with inflammatory diseases and some types of cancer. You want to take vitamin K as vitamin K2. The maximum amount that your body can absorb is 300 micrograms per day, so any more than this is not needed. Vitamin C helps to encourage the production of white blood cells, which are known as lymphocytes and phagocytes, and this helps to protect the body against an infection. Vitamin C also helps these white blood cells function more effectively while protecting them from damage by potentially harmful molecules such as free radicals. Vitamin C levels, when they're low, have been linked to poor health outcomes. For example, people who have pneumonia tend to have lower vitamin C levels, and vitamin C supplements have been shown to shorten the recovery time from the pneumonia. The best form of vitamin C is liposomal vitamin C, then non-acidic pH buffered vitamin C, with the worst kind being cheap acidic ascorbic acid. Bioflavonoids have been used in alternative medicine as an aid to enhance the action of vitamin C, to support blood circulation, as an antioxidant, and to treat allergies, viruses, or arthritis and any other inflammatory conditions. One flavonoid, quercetin, is known for its antioxidant activity in radical scavenging and anti-allergic properties, characterized by stimulation of the immune system, by antiviral activity, by inhibition of histamine release, and decrease in pro-inflammatory cytokines, lutein creation, and suppression of interleukin-4. Its antiviral properties have been investigated in numerous studies also. Chamomile tea has been used in medicine for thousands of years. It's great to treat congestion or an upset stomach during the flu. You can also inhale the steam from a cup of chamomile tea, and it's also a good sleep aid and can help induce sleep during the sleepless, restless time of the flu. Echinacea boosts immunity and it can reduce the severity of symptoms of the flu. It's best taken daily during flu season before you come down with the flu to build a strong immune response. Extracts of echinacea seem to have an effect on the immune system, which is your body's defense against germs, and research shows it increases the number of white blood cells which fight infections. A review of more than a dozen studies published in 2014 found that the herbal remedy had a benefit in preventing colds. In addition to helping the immune system, golden seal by itself has been known to be a great aid for the digestive system. It's considered a natural antibiotic, and it's often combined with echinacea and promoted as strengthening the immune system. One study found that golden seal might help to boost white blood cells, which are a measure of the infection-fighting ability of your immune system. As an immunostimulating agent, which acts through the activation of macrophage and natural killer cell cytotoxicity, beta-glucans can inhibit tumor growth. Once they're in the immune system, researchers believe that beta-glucans enhance immune activation, which translates into anti-cancer activity, and it spurs immune cells to produce anti-cancer compounds called cytokines, which regulate inflammation and help the immune system to fight diseases such as cancer. Baker's yeast's beta-glucan increases salivary immunoglobulin A, and it decreases cold and flu symptoms days after intense exercise. This is because overexercising suppresses the immune system and would not be advised during a cold or a flu. Beta-glucans can also help to feed your probiotics. When the gut becomes unbalanced with unhealthy levels of certain bacteria, Probiotics can help to restore the balance. They've been shown to secrete protective substances, which may turn on the immune system and prevent pathogens from taking hold and creating major diseases. One of the best probiotic supplements is VSL3. Other ways to help improve your microbiome are by eliminating sugar consumption and adopting a Candida diet. You can see my other video on Candida for more information about this. You can also add probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, kombucha, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. Garlic has been used as an antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal agent. It may help the body resist or destroy viruses and other microorganisms. It does this by boosting the immune system. Garlic is also claimed to fight infections. Whole garlic contains a compound called allicin. However, allicin is unstable, so it quickly converts into other sulfur-containing compounds, thought to give garlic its medical properties. These compounds have been shown to boost the disease-fighting response of some types of white blood cells in the body when they encounter viruses, such as the viruses that cause the common cold or flu. Carvacol, which is the most abundant phenol in oregano, has been shown to stop the growth of several different types of bacteria. Thymol also is a natural antifungal, and it's found in oregano, and this can help support the immune system and protect against toxins. Iodine is a mineral that's needed in the diet to ensure that the thyroid works properly. Thyroid hormones play an important role in a wide range of bodily functions, including metabolism, bone health, immune response, and development of the central nervous system. You should take iodine in the form of nascent iodine, as it's the most bioidentical, non-toxic form. You can see my other videos on hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism for natural ways to balance thyroid function, which in turn improves your immune system. Curcumin, found in turmeric. Curcumin is known for its therapeutic effects, especially in cancer. It's also recognized as a potent modulator of the immune system. Curcumin has been shown to exert immunomodulatory effects on several cells and organs of the immune system. Turmeric helps the body naturally cleanse the respiratory tract. Turmeric helps fight the infection, and its anti-inflammatory qualities relieve individuals from the direct impact of cold and flu. Turmeric has low bioavailability, so it's often taken with BioPerine, which is black pepper extract, or with an oil like coconut oil, butter, ghee, or fish oil to improve absorption. Another plant closely related to turmeric is ginger. Upping your intake of antioxidant-rich foods and beverages like ginger can help to combat inflammation and keep your immune system healthy. Many test tube and animal studies suggest that ginger can enhance immune response, and what's more, ginger has powerful antiviral and antibacterial properties. As you can see, there are many natural options available to help your immune system. As usual, prevention is better than cure. Therefore, a low carbohydrate, alkaline diet, maintaining a healthy body weight, normalizing thyroid function, having proper sleep, stress management, and exercise are some of the best places to start to work on to enhance your immunity.